Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at Eve, the second Genesis, the Day of Darkness starter box. They call it a starter kit. Same thing, it's a starter deck. This is based on the video game Eve, probably the second Genesis. But this one's called Day of Darkness. There's another one we're going to cover in another episode called The Great War. I've got both of them, obviously. But today we're looking at Day of Darkness. This is put out by CCP, which is a game company I've never heard of, but the printing was done in Belgium, so I'm guessing they're European. But CCP Games put this out, and this contains 2 starter decks, coins, and a rule book. When you are ready to enhance your gaming experience, it says, be sure to pick up the Great War starter kit, which is the other one, as well as Eve, the second Genesis booster packs. I don't know if I have any booster packs. I'll have to look around for them. I've got a lot of stuff sorted that needs to be put where it needs to go, so I can find out if I'm opening them on here or not, or if, stuff I'm going to keep or get rid of. But this has 2 pre-constructed decks, Amar and Minmatar. So if you know who they are, you're a little ahead of the game, because I have no idea. I didn't play Eve. I got these as promos, I think. I think these are from my comic shop. But let's find out. I got them somewhere, and that's what matters. So let's open these up and see what we've got in here. Pull string didn't do crap. Alright, so these boxes open on the side. Ooh, they're nice and sealed. One big sealed package. I like that. Alright, now we gotta fight some more cellophane before we can continue. Oh, they wrap these up good. Both decks are individually wrapped on top of that. I like that already. But we have the token coins here. There's 2 sheets. And they're identical. And you've got 2, 4, 6, 7 1s, 3 5s, and 3 10s on each sheet. So there should be a total of 6 10s, 6 5s, and 3, 6, 9, 10... I don't know. Oh my god, why did my brain stop working? 14 ones. So I'm dumb. But there's 2 of these sheets. They're not very thick. So be aware that if you buy this used, you probably will need these coins. You could substitute pennies, nickels, and dimes, or whatever the currency of your land is. But they're the same on both sides too. So you could substitute little coins for them. They're just little cardboard tokens, but if you're a completionist like I am, you'll want the official thing. Then the rule book. This says Rulebook Core Set. I think they were planning on doing more of these, but it just never really panned out, at least not here stateside. I don't know if Europe got any extras or different stuff. But it's colored rulebook, and it's got some real nice imagery on here. It's really nice quality paper, actually. A little higher end than you usually find. So real good print job on these. And judging by this, some of these cards are going to look fantastic. So let's get these opened up and see what we've got. Alright. Here we've got our Amar deck. We're going to start with that one. Don't know which way's up on these. Okay. So we've got these cards here that are 2-sided. Same picture on one side. On the other side we have Holder Tower. And this one is Reclamation Tower. So those cards are double-sided. The rest seem to look like this. I think there might be another, yeah, there's another 2-sided one down here with that same front image. And then on the back it has Empiric Tower. So We'll get these out of the way. And here's the back of the cards. And this is the Amar deck. Let's see what we've got here. We've got Lone Trek. We've got Kainoki Pit. In's Mother. Jinaga Gap. Eve Gate. Cloud Ring. Then we've got an Observatory. Warp Distribution Field. Moon Harvester. This one is a Juggernaut platform, star-based structure. Forsaken Ruins. Mind Clash. Hired Enforcers. Exiled from the Empire. Another Exiled from the Empire. By the Emperor's Decree. The second one. Disarmament Treaty. Another Disarmament Treaty. Stubborn Mechanic. Another Stubborn Mechanic. Coercer. Guardian. Omen. Crucifier. Another Crucifier. Inquisitor. Another Inquisitor. Executioner. Another Executioner. A Tormentor. Tormentor. Imperior. Punisher. Another Punisher. Ice Ore. Crocite, something like that. Genesis, something. Another one of those. Umber. Slave Mines. Another Slave Mines. Pyroxeres, something. Another one. Veldspar. Then we've got Damn Torsid. A Stain. And lastly, Metropolis, Outer Region. Alright, so initial impressions. Card quality is pretty good, actually. These are from 2006. They've held up really well. They are numbered on the sides. There's 240 cards in the set, it says. Most of these cards, anyway, are numbered on the side, and it says core set. So you should be able to at least distinguish most of them, if not all of them. I think these have it at the bottom. Yeah, it says core set, and then their card number. So that's pretty cool, but the card quality is really good. I like the art so far. We'll have to see how the other deck looks. So let me move this aside, and we'll look at the other deck. Now, I do like that these were individually wrapped within another package, so that these were actually have been able to hold up really well over the years, and sitting out in my storage unit since 2008. It's pretty good. So that speaks pretty highly of their quality. Alright, this is Min Matter. I'm going to butcher these words. Alright, so that's the back of the card, or the front, I guess. And then the other side has the Liberty Tower. And then We've got the next card, same thing, Frailty Tower. And Coercion Tower. So these actually look very similar, but they're not. Different colors, slightly different things going on. They just kind of look vaguely similar. I really like the space art. I think it's really good. Alright, first up we've got the Tirajev Pocket. The Canid Kingdom. Society of Conscious Thought. Serpent's Prime. Moon of Nindora. Doria? I don't know. Molden Heath. Then we've got Early Warning System. Century Gun. Armageddon Project. Remnants of Vaca Theoth. Something. Guerrilla Warfare. The Mandator. Another Mandator. Andaster's Disaster. That rhymes. Another Disaster. Gravity Storm. Another Gravity Storm. Mind Control. Another Mind Control. Rupture. Cyclone. Thrasher. Reaper. Another Reaper. Breacher. Another Breacher. Burst. Another Burst. Slasher. Another Slasher. Probe. Another Probe. Hoarder. A second Hoarder. Rifter. Another Rifter. Echoes of Gloom Bay. Remote Research Facility. Plagioclase. I don't know that word. And a second one of that. Interstellar Trade Post. Another Interstellar Trade Post. Sancha's Scout Outpost. Another one. Hemophorite. Whatever that word is, the second one of those. Veldspar. Veldspar. A third Veldspar. And then we've got Heaven on the outer region. And Sancha's Nation, outer region. And lastly, Scalding Pass, outer region. Alright, like I said, the quality is actually pretty solid. Slightly above average quality cards, I would say. Regular thickness, so they didn't skimp there. The art looks beautiful. I don't think that's from the game. It doesn't really look like a computer screenshot. Some of them might be, but it still looks really good. So I'm pretty impressed that as old as the game is, from 2006, it does look a lot better than it could. The rulebook is nice. It's a little bigger than I like them. I like the smaller ones that you can fit in a regular deck box, but very high quality. Overall, pretty nice little set. I think that's enough for 2 people to play. I'm pretty sure this is a 2-player deck. It says 2 starter decks, so I assume it is. Yeah, pretty cool. You really only need 1 box to play. In that case, and everything seems to be there that you would need. 2 55 card decks, ready to go right out of the box. It didn't look overly complicated to me, but I haven't played it yet, so I am interested in playing this just because I like the art, if no other reason, and it looks like it's not reasonably hard, which I like easy games. But that is what is inside Eve the 2nd Genesis, the Day of Darkness starter kit. 110 cards, which are 2 pre-constructed decks, and for Amar and Min Matter. And you get the coins, don't forget about those, and the rulebook. But that'll do it for this episode. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you on the next episode of What's Inside.